Hi there, this is Irina, and today we are going to talk briefly about something very important. The question is, how do I know there is a spot in my area for another life coach? And how do I stand out as a great life coach and someone people can go to? And my answer is going to be for life coaches, health coaches, coaches in general, consultants, pretty much everybody in the service industry. And it also applies to in person and online, because you probably imagine from now on, lots of everything that we all are doing is going to happen online. And I want you to understand one thing. It's not um, what you do. I don't know what you do, but you have 99.9% chances that you're not the only one doing it. And um, it's good if you just stop thinking of how to be original. You are going to stand out for some other reasons. What you do is not original. What you do, most likely, many other people do as well. And now the point is, okay, so then where is my place? What do I do here? The market is so crowded. And it could be. I'm not saying not. How can you stand out? Yes, you can stand out, because if what you say is not different, how you say it is different. And this is something very important. If you want, even if you wanted to be like somebody else and you see the success, and you would like to emulate the same type of recipe, and you try to do the same thing, is not gonna happen, because you are unique. And the way you connect with people and the way people feel you, and by the way, people buy from you for very like many reasons, and not all of them are logical. So people buy from you because of an emotional type of involvement. They feel you. There is something, even though most of them they don't even acknowledge, there is a type of communication beyond words. They feel that they know, they like, they trust you, and all these things happen for a reason. There is some type of compatibility. So now, when somebody else has success doing the same thing, they're going to reach out to a different type of person. You are unique. How you're going to stand out is to be a unique voice in the market. And for that, I think the groundwork is to really find how you are authentic and how you can naturally and genuinely connect with others. Because the point is to be honest, to serve, to help, to offer support, and then people are going to connect back with you. And this is how you're going to stand out. You are going to be the perfect person for those people that are on the same wavelength. And again, do not try and compete, because competition, first of all, I, for one, think is obsolete, and then does not apply. Everybody is different. The way you do things is unique. You are unique. The way you do things is unique. And people who are going to come to you at some point are those who are on the same page with you. So now this goes back to you again, and it's not as much about who the client is about you knowing yourself and knowing exactly what kind of client you are going to attract. So again, it's good. It feels more like a relief the moment you understand that you don't have to compete with anybody and you don't have to be different. It's just because you are unique. You don't have to do that, because it's not even possible. The more you try, the more you're going to fail. But the more you know yourself and the more you trust yourself and the more you are willing to put yourself out and offer honestly what you can offer to others to help them, the more success you're going to have. Your voice is unique. What you do is not. But with that, now you have a lot more, room to go and expand and build your business based on that. So that was it. Short but very important for today. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.